Alright. I don't think you guys ever seen this fan, but this fan actually replaced the old twister that used to be in here. Because just that they have to move in with like a plain fan so that they can decorate it the way they want to decorate it. You can't really see it with the light off, so I'm gonna keep the light on for the video, but here's low. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm actually running this thing. I've never seen it on in person. And this is gonna be the only time I see it. It's a bit on an angle. It's pretty loose, but that's okay. I don't think that's gonna be very harmful, but here's medium. A wobble to it. Not much. Here's high. Got a slight wobble to it. Probably because of the blades. And like I just showed you how loose it was. But let's reverse it. Oh, jeez. I knew that was gonna hurt because my hands are so cold. Here's low reverse. My hands are so cold. I was outside for a long time without gloves. It's already snowing in November. I was at a ceremony. Here's medium. Not too bad. I think the new owners are gonna like it a lot. And if they find me and see this house, then they're gonna be very surprised. If the new owners find me and see this house in my channel, then they're gonna be so surprised that I used to live here. But here's high. See how wobbly it is? I already expected a wobble. My mom tested this thing out before she left for unpacking. And she forgot to try reverse out. But I am. And yeah, still not terrible. Now let's do a reverse. Let's reverse it. Oh god, that thing is hard to reverse. There we go. Alright, well that's it. Just wait. Vultures are gonna start flailing. Alright.